I'm sure you guys see my videos, and I've stressed the importance of pre-vacuuming. Why is that? Because we don't want mud when we're cleaning, right? So we want to get up as much dry particulate soil as possible. However, something I've noticed that is a negative moment of truth, and that's a lot of carpet cleaners will bring their vacuum cleaner in with the dirt they got from the last job. Remember, that's an NMOT, a negative moment of truth. So you want as many positive moments of truth as possible. Also, I'm going to take it one step further, okay? Now, in my own truck, since this beast is so strong, it's a monster, you know, with almost 1,000 CFM, I can run 3 wands off of it. The vacuum cleaner is not as important. However, when you're running a smaller truck mount or a portable machine, you want to get the strongest vacuum cleaner you can get. All right, now, however, when you are vacuuming somebody else's house, you not only want your vacuum to look good visually, you want it to smell good also. Because you go vacuum a home that had pets, you go inside the next home to vacuum and it smells like pets, the customer's going to be upset, and rightfully so. You might not be, but she is, okay? They notice stuff like that. So what can you do? Well, I'm gonna show you a couple little tips and tricks of what you can do. First, I'm gonna throw my gloves on here as I explain it. And the reason I wear gloves is because what I'm going to do is put either a fresh block or an air freshener in there. And both of them are Sweet Breeze. And the reason I wear gloves is because it gets on your fingers. You're gonna be smelling it all day long. These are powerful little units. Okay, you can get the Fresh Blocks. You've probably seen my prior videos. You can stick it between the vent and the air filter inside the home. Makes the house smell divine, no doubt about it. Or you can get yourself an air freshener, something like this, put it in there if it's just a light scent that you want. Now, when I get the vacuum cleaner, there's a couple different options you can do. You pop this off, right? Now what you could do is open this up and you could drop a whole block in there, right? The problem with that is each time you vacuum and then you go to dump your vacuum, you're gonna have to take that block and save it and put it back in there, all right? So another option you could do is what I've done. I just take my razor blade and I go ahead and I cut a block up in 4 pieces, all right? That way it lasts longer. You really don't need that much power in there. So you could drop it in here. But remember, like I said, you go to dump your vacuum, it comes right out. What you could do instead, pop the top open and put it in the filter region. The only thing too large in there, because if you do, it could block your vacuum, you suffocate the machine, you could damage the motor. This little unit ain't gonna have a problem. You leave that in there, put it back in position, go to clean, the house is gonna smell great. And it'll last for a long time. If you notice it's starting to lose scent, just go ahead and pop another one in there. So you can get 4 out of 1 fresh block. One other option you could do, if you'd rather have it in the main chamber, depending on what type of machine you have, is you can drop an air freshener in like this, hold the string off to the side, put it like that. Then when you go to dump the machine, look at that, it stays right in place. Okay, so that's pretty nifty. All right, it also shows the product that you're using, the Unchained, and you can show them, especially when you're dealing with pets, how nice and how good it looks. So you put that in position, put it in there. Now you're ready to go inside the home. Instead of delivering an NMOT, a negative moment of truth, now you're going in there and you're delivering a PMOT, a positive moment of truth.